Now let us try to learn what are the basic building blocks in C programming language. The first one is the tokens, that can be the keyword, and it can be the identifier, it can be the constant, it can be the string literal, it can be a symbol. For example, if we have the statement printf hello world then ending with semicolon, then you have the 5 tokens. The first one is printf, the second one is the opening bracket, third one is the string literal, the fourth one is the closing bracket, and the fifth one is the semicolon. So in this way, in your program, if you have a lot of statements, then each statement can contain lot of tokens. So what is the use of semicolon in program? It is called the statement terminator. Wherever we put the semicolon, it means that statement has been ended, and it is also used to denote the individual statement, and each individual statement must end with the semicolon. And it can also say, like, it indicates one individual logical entity that is executed in your program. If you have two different statements like this, printf hello then printf world, both are separated with the different printf function and ended with the semicolon, then these are the two different statements. What are the comments in program? Sometimes you want to write the text or the helping characters that you will need to identify in future what you have done. So these are the texts that are ignored by the C program and known as the helping text, and they are written under slash star and ended with star slash, and whatever you are writing in between these two will be treated as the comment, user defined helping characters, and don't execute by the C program, and it is totally ignored by C. So what are the identifier in C program? It is the name which is used to identify the variable, the function, or any other user defined element that is defined in the program. We can start our identifier with the character A to Z, or in caps A to Z, or with the underscore character that will be followed by some more characters or the digits. Variable or identifier don't allow to use the @ dollar percentage kind of special character in their name in C programming language. And C is the case sensitive language. If you have number 1 and number 1 like this, then you have two different variable and identifier. While declaring the variable or identifier, function name, or anything, any other constant, we should know that there are some keywords in C program. These keywords are the reserved word in C. These words cannot be used as the constant or the variable or in any other identifier name. The keys like auto, else, long, int, double, continue, go to, size of, return, union. There are a lot of keywords that are reserved, and we cannot utilize them as our function name and our variable name or any other constant in our identifier. So now what are the white spaces in C program? A line containing only the white spaces is known as the blank line, and C compiler totally ignores it. If you are writing the code that has nothing other than the white space, then it is ignored by your C program, like our comment. And our comments may contain the white space, and lot of lines that are separated with the white spaces are ignored. White space should be used as per the requirement. For example, if you are declaring int number 1 comma space number 2 comma space sum, number 1 space equals space 10, number 2 space equal space 20, sum space equal space number 1 space plus space number 2 then semicolon, and based on our readability we can use the white space. Like in above, we don't need to use the space character before or after the equal sign and the plus sign. Still we have used it as per our requirement. So this is allowed to give the space as per our requirement. These space get ignored, but for our readability, it is good to have this kind of space in our program. In our statement, that's all. Thank you so much